Today, we will showcase 17 amazing survival gear items and gadgets that will help you conquer the wilderness. From fire starters to water filters, tents to knives, backpacks to flashlights, these survival essentials are a must for any outdoor adventurer. Meet Preparedness X, the ultimate survival torch equipped with everything you need to start a safe and controlled fire in any situation. Its premium quality ferrocerium rod, 36-inch wax-infused hemp fire starter rope, curved steel striker, and durable aluminum housing ensure reliable fire starting capabilities even in harsh conditions. Its water-resistant design makes it suitable for all weather scenarios, ensuring you can ignite a fire when needed most. Compact, lightweight, and built for survival, the Preparedness X is an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Here is the Surviveware Trauma First Aid Kit for critical survival situations. This kit contains 100 high-quality emergency essentials and first aid supplies. With labeled, organized compartments, finding necessary supplies during emergencies is quick and hassle-free. Made from water-resistant, rip-resistant 600 denier polyester, this rugged kit can withstand any outdoor adventure. Its portable design features removable straps, snaps, and D-rings for easy attachment to cars, trucks, or boats. It includes a removable CPR pouch and a first aid guide, equipping you to handle minor wounds and emergencies during survival journeys. The Off-Grid Tools Pro Survival Axe Elite is the ultimate multi-tool for handling any situation. It boasts an all-steel full-tang axe head combined with a durable yet lightweight glass-filled nylon handle. The resharpenable hatchet blade is perfect for chopping, clearing debris, or demolition. A hammerhead and claw provide utility for tent stakes or equipment repair. Its built-in gas valve wrench and bottle opener add convenience. At 11 inches long and weighing just over 1.5 pounds, this compact axe delivers significant power while remaining portable enough for a glove box or bug-out bag. Whether you are exploring the wilderness or facing emergencies, the MyMedic Recon First Aid Kit is a reliable companion, ready to deliver life-saving care. This re-engineered kit includes over 250 hand-picked, high-quality first aid and trauma supplies, meeting the standards of first responders and medical professionals. Built to military specifications, its durable materials ensure long-lasting performance. Features include back padding for comfort, stowable shoulder straps with seatbelt-style webbing for versatile storage, quick access front pockets, and modular interior organization with mesh compartments. With HSA and FSA approval, this kit elevates your preparedness for survival scenarios. The VSSL First Aid Mini is a compact, reliable companion for your medical needs during survival situations. Weighing less than 1 pound and measuring approximately 6 inches in height, it is easy to carry or store. This kit contains over 35 first aid supplies, including disposable thermometers, antiseptic wipes, and bandages, all neatly organized in durable, reusable aluminum tins. Made from military-grade aluminum, the Mini is waterproof, shatterproof, and airtight, ensuring your supplies remain intact and ready for emergencies. With labeled contents and refillable tins, staying prepared is straightforward and hassle-free. The Hogue Sig Sauer EXF03 is a high-performance survival knife built for challenging environments. This fixed-blade knife features a 2¼ hawkbill blade with a flat, dark earth PVD finish for added durability. The G10 handle scales with mini piranha texture provide a secure grip, ensuring precise handling. It includes a quick-deploying nylon belt sheath with a rotating clip and a bolter-on knife neck sheath with paracord for multiple carrying options. Its stainless steel blade undergoes cryogenic heat treatment for a hardness rating of 57 to 59 HRC, enhancing cutting performance and corrosion resistance. The ThorFire solar flashlight is your ultimate beacon of resilience during blackouts or wilderness adventures. Powered by solar energy and a hand crank, this flashlight ensures self-reliance without dependence on external power. Its IPX6 waterproof rating makes it suitable for extreme conditions, and it can withstand depths of up to 45 feet. Delivering up to 4 hours of light, this durable and efficient tool is essential for navigating treacherous terrains or enduring harsh storms. The Out Frag redefines preparedness with its compact military-grade design inspired by ammunition containers. This rugged container houses essential survival gear, including fire starters, a multi-tool, and first aid items, all neatly organized for quick access. Whether facing natural disasters or venturing into the wilderness, its discreet, transportable design ensures you are equipped to navigate challenging situations. The Key Kit is a state-of-the-art outdoor survival system designed to prepare you for any adventure. Available in 2 sizes, it offers flexibility to suit your specific needs and trip duration. With efficient organization, the Key Kit ensures that your essential gear is easily accessible when time is critical. The durable and compact case protects your supplies from harsh environments while eliminating unnecessary bulk and weight. This kit is an indispensable companion for your outdoor excursions. The S.O.L Reflective Emergency. Bivvy is a survival must-have, offering protection in dire conditions. Its reflective material conserves up to 90% of your body heat, shielding you from hypothermia. Equipped with a tinder paracord for fire starting and a piercing emergency whistle, this bivvy maximizes preparedness. Lightweight, tear-resistant, and compact, it seamlessly integrates into your survival kit, ready to protect you during any outdoor challenge. The SSG Molle Coat is the epitome of durability and functionality. Crafted from heavy-duty waxed cotton canvas, it resists scratches and tears while shielding you from harsh elements. Its modular woven strap system allows secure attachment of survival gear without hindering mobility. With reliable zippers and treated material, this coat ensures warmth and dryness, making it an excellent choice for hiking, camping, or extended hunting trips. The Camalas Carnivore X is a versatile survival machete designed for activities like hunting, camping, and exploration. This 18-inch tactical blade, made from titanium-bonded stainless steel, offers superior sharpness and durability, lasting 3 times longer than untreated steel. With additional features like a saw edge, gut hook, and 5-inch trimming knife, the Carnivore X is an adaptable tool for various outdoor tasks. Its textured handle ensures a secure grip, and the trimming knife includes hex heads for added utility. The Hoto camping light is a multifunctional lighting solution perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring 3 modes, camping light, ambient light, and flashlight, it adapts to any situation. The magnetic detachable lampshade adds convenience, while its hidden handle ensures portability. With an IPX6 water resistance rating and a brightness output of 180 lumens, the Hoto camping light provides reliable illumination for camping adventures. We conclude the list with the Mjolnir Ti pendants, extraordinary pieces of wearable survival gear inspired by Norse mythology. These pendants are designed with practicality and symbolism in mind. The Thor pendant includes a fire starter, representing the power of the thunder god. The Loki pendant, styled as a functional knife, provides an essential tool for emergencies. These pendants blend style with utility, offering a unique combination of preparedness and homage to ancient legends. The Rhino Ready Companion version 2 is an advanced 72-hour survival system for 2 people, designed to handle natural disasters such as floods, fires, hurricanes, and earthquakes. Developed with insights from first responders and survival experts, it includes meticulously organized, high-quality supplies that prioritize life-saving capabilities. This portable kit is a vital resource when first responders are unavailable, ensuring preparedness and safety during critical situations. The EDC Nomad Survival Multi-Tool embodies adaptability, offering a versatile solution for everyday challenges. Compact and durable, this tool enables you to handle tasks such as cutting ropes, tightening screws, and even starting a fire. Designed with inspiration from the nomadic lifestyle, the Nomad Multi-Tool empowers you to tackle modern challenges with resourcefulness and preparedness. The Bone Daddy Knife and Axe is a versatile tool designed to handle the most demanding outdoor tasks. The axis blade transitions seamlessly between functions. Use it as a reliable knife for food preparation or fire starting, a camp axe for clearing debris and shelter building, or a full-size axe for splitting logs. This multifunctional design combines strength, durability, and practicality, making it an indispensable survival companion. That concludes our roundup of 17 amazing survival tools and gadgets. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed learning about the latest in survival gear, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. See you next time.